A civil danger warning has been issued at the request of the Hawaii Defense Command for all of Hawaii until further notice. NORAD has detected the launch of foreign missiles. These are believed to impact Hawaii. These missiles may impact on land or sea in minutes. This is not a drill. Repeating, this is not a drill. If inside, stay inside. If outside, get into a sturdy structure now. You have only minutes until this missile impacts the state of Hawaii. Duck, and cover your head and neck. These missiles are not believed to have nuclear warheads. Take cover now. This message will cease all normal programming due to an emergency. An administrative message has been issued at the request of the Hawaii Defense Command for all of Hawaii until further notice. The missile has been shot down. Repeating, the missile has been shot down. There is no longer a missile threat for the state of Hawaii. You may exit your shelters. The originator of the attack is North Korea. Be alert in case, if North Korea launches more missiles, North Korea is now invading South Korea. Therefore, the president has declared war on North Korea. Other countries that have declared war on North Korea include Japan, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Russia and China have cut ties with North Korea due to the attack that North Korea has declared. The president also has launched multiple mother-of-all bombs at North Korea. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming will now resume. An administrative message has been issued at the request of the Department of Defense for all of the United States of America until further notice. North Korea has been successively been taken over. Repeating, North Korea has been successively been taken over. The United States of America, with cooperation with Japan, Canada, South Korea and the United Kingdom, the peninsula of Korea has been united. Also, the nuclear weapons and other weapons have been secured. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming will now resume.